The heart can also be done just with the shoulder girdle, and when you just concentrate the front of your shoulder girdle a little bit, the clavicles, the collarbones, you feel how the muscles pull it in a little bit, and then it's a letting go. And this carries your clavicles upwards, and it carries it backwards, and then you just enjoy letting go in the back. And just by coming down in the back, it condenses your feeling down in the back a little bit, and then you let go. Oh, it's so nice to follow this sensation of expansion. And this brings the shoulders forward, and they sink down in front again. Wow. So you can do a ha, and then behind. And maybe you can imagine that you have two eyes here. Yeah, if you touch your clavicles, above them you might find a hole. And when you press against it, you notice, oh, that's very sensitive. I must not press too hard, because that's the tip of your lungs. Huh? And also on the other side. Here. And maybe you can, in your fantasy, prolong it as if they would even reach your shoulder blades behind. And when you now close or bring down the front of your shoulder a little bit, it could feel as if these eyes close a little bit. And now you try that you open these eyes, and they start to looking into the world very bright, while at the same time in the back the shoulder blades come down. And then you let go behind, it opens up, and in front the clavicles are coming down. And now try that it feels a little bit like your eyes in front, when you let them rise again, open up. And your eyes in the back close themselves. So you're looking into the front world. And then let go behind. And your eyes behind open up, and the eyes in front fall asleep. And try to sense that now you look into the world behind. And then again, open your eyes in front and notice they close behind. Really have 4 pairs of eyes. 2 eyes looking into the world in front of you, the other one are asleep. Open up your 2 eyes in the back. The 2 in front go asleep. And really look with 2 open eyes into the space behind. And let go, and just return to your center. And when you know the stars on the skies and you look to Gemini, then there are 2 very bright ones. They are so much known, and they are called Castor and Pollux, the 2 bright stars of the Gemini. And when you imagine that you have of the Gemini sign here the one part and here the other one, and from the side you are like this, then you can imagine Castor and Pollux, the Gemini who can look into 2 directions, is really present. Great. And breathe.